first thing you should always do is check.
Now you're not even getting to shoot.
Oh, what? Robbed again.
What just happened?
Jammed again.
It started. Sorry, Chris. It was a freebie, man. That shotgun cost me nothing. I got it, I used it, I pulled it apart. No.
Hey, you get what you pay for.
No, my brother-in-law did some work for a guy who couldn't pay his bill. And he goes, I got all these rifles, can you trade for one? And he's like, well, I got a hyper, I got this. I go, oh, my brother-in-law doesn't have one. So he bought me a shotgun. He's like, here you go, Jeff. Thanks, Andrew.
Got closer that time.
Aren't you glad you're not in the firefight or something?
Oh, God!
Hold on,
Cover fire!
Time out, I gotta
Wasn't,
How are you supposed to aim this